Carry on. I'm a fucking sex symbol. She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some honey's on me, I got a blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me some up on the front seat. We gon' for an hour, then we gon'
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the FashionceEsta family. This is a new look for me, y'all. Y'all know y'all ain't never seen me with no bang, okay? This is new. I do have a very embarrassing photo to share. The last time that I was really rocking bangs was back in high school. That was short-lived. But I wanted to create this really cute and just simple Thanksgiving look, because you know, turkey won't be the only thing that we serve on the Thanksgiving holiday, poo. I'm like, you know, I'm gagging at myself with these bangs. I think that it's so cute and it's just so mature. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, keep watching and I will see you on my next clip.
Alright folks, so I'm using my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I'm taking that from root to lid. I don't really care to use primers anymore, but when I am doing a look that has color, I like to use some type of colored base, and these OG NYX Jumbo Pencils, chef's kiss. So in today's video, we're going to be using the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and the shade that I'm going to be using first is called Nude Tude. It's this really nice olive color. Like, ugh. I was a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, when I first started using the palette, but you know, the look came together, so I try not to freak out. But yeah, I'm just applying that shade using like patting motions, and then obviously going back over it by blending out the edges so that way there's not any harsh transitions. And to also help Nude Tude and my bronzer blend together, I went back into the palette and used this like peachy brown shade called Play It Cool, and I placed that in between the actual lid color, which was Nude Tude, and the bronzer that you guys obviously see that I've laid down when I contour my nose. Going back to Nude Tude, I am putting that on my lower lash line, or you know, well yeah, my lower lash line to blend everything out. And then of course I'm going in with this super bomb gel liner. Y'all already know how I feel about the LA Girl gel liner, and I'm just pretty much putting that on the top lash line only, and taking that same brush that I blended out the jumbo pencil with and laid my eyeshadow with, and just smudging everything together so it gives my lashes a fuller look. And then after that, we're going to use my favorite mascara. You guys already guessed it, the Lancome Monsieur Big. If you have not tried this mascara, you need it. Between this and the Fenty Full Frontal Mascara, T, okay? Love it. Now I'm dusting off the excess RCMA no color powder, because if you guys don't know, I really don't use face powder like that anymore. And then I'm bronzing with my medium to dark contour palette from Black Radiance. And this setting spray, y'all, I'm actually do maybe like a 2020 favorites, because it's not like I had a chance to get much anyway since we've been on lockdown, but I do have quite a few favorites from this year, and I would love to share those with you guys. This eyeliner pencil being one of them. Love this shade. Olive is probably like one of my favorite colors, so this golden olive pencil that I popped into my waterline was just so perfect for this look. And of course, we like to go back over our work, so adding any more shadow if we feel like we needed a little bit more pigment, and blending everything out. And that was, again, like I said, I was just going back over my lid with Nude Tude. Sorry if my voice is changing. I am a little congested and I need to blow my nose, but I'm also trying to finish this voiceover. For lashes, my loves. For lashes, I use my Eye Envy lashes. If you ever go into the hair store, these were lashes number 6. You guys, I have tried to find an Instagram or a link for these. I cannot find them anywhere, so maybe in another video I'll show you guys, or in my next video I'll show you what the packaging looks like so you guys can find it. For blush, I know that this is discontinued, sorry, but this is one of my favorite blushes. This is the NYX powder blush in the shade Cinnamon. It's like the perfect orange for brown skin. I absolutely love it. And then for my lip color, I'm using my Cool Intentions Powder Puff Lippy from NYX. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the makeup, y'all.
Alright, so here is my Bayang wig that I'll be rocking today. It is one of my old units. So here's the thing. Having a hair company and having to show longevity and the fact that your product is quality, the other girls can sit here and throw out hair and get new hair and do whatever. I'm gonna get the most out of my coin, okay? Period. So when it comes down to these Bon Vivant tresses, we gonna rock the hair till we can't rock it no more. So this frontal actually started balding. I turned it into a bang wig, and it has a nice thick elastic band that makes it glueless and cling to my head. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my head right now, and we will get to the finished look. And this is what it is giving, y'all. I'm gonna put my earrings in, put my top on, and I will come back and we will get these slow-mos in, and that'll be it. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all have a happy Thanksgiving. In the comment section below, do me a favor and tell me what you guys are thankful for. I am thankful for health. I'm thankful for life. I'm thankful for loved ones, and I'm thankful for all the people who just genuinely love me and pour into me and allow me to just do me. This year has been crazy. There's been so many people who have lost their lives, they've lost their homes, they've lost their jobs due to coronavirus, and I really just pray for not even just our country, but for the entire world, because we've all been affected by COVID. And I just hope that, you know, you guys are able to socially distant but join with your families this holiday season and kind of get a little bit of sense of normalcy. I know that I'm like super excited to go to my grandparents' house and go eat and to spend time with my loved ones, since it's been so long since all of us have been able to be together. If you are going to be around your family, please go get tested for COVID before you walk into a house with people and get them sick. Please. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video.